Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Matthew Solomon, top 2 in the June 2017 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order for you to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Matthew.
Next one. So a person is hardly recognized at a distance farther than 100 yards, okay, if the person has never been seen before in what lighting condition. So ang pinag-aaralan natin dito mga kaibigan is yung light, okay, yung ilaw or yung condition ng lighting as a factor in identification. Okay? So 100 yards daw ang layo, hindi na raw siya almost makilala kapag 100 yards ang layo in what lighting condition? Under what lighting condition? Okay? So the answer here is broad daylight. Okay? The answer is broad daylight. Okay? So, if never been seen before, okay, take note 100 yards. Okay? If never been seen before, take note 100 yards. Pero kapag ka almost stranger, okay, almost stranger, that is 25 yards. Okay? So ulitin natin ha. Sabi doon, in broad daylight, okay, 100 yards if the person has never been seen before. Okay? But 25 yards, okay, if okay, the person is almost a stranger. Ayan. Okay? Next. So under the starlight. Okay? So ibig sabihin yung ilaw coming from the stars. Okay? A person can be recognized at a distance of how many yards? Gaano kalayo daw? Okay? So ayan, so kapag sa ilalim ng ilaw ng stars, gaano kalayo ma-identify yung tao. Okay, so that is 10 to 13 yards. Okay, 10 to 13 yards. Ayan, so ito yung mga ano natin. So light as a factor in identification. So clearest moonlight, okay, 16 to 17 yards. Okay? Starlight, 10 to 13 yards. Broad daylight, if never been seen before, 100 yards. Okay? Okay, but if the person, okay, are almost strangers, they are at a distance of 25 yards. Yan. So tatandaan niya na. So yung sa flash of a firearm naman, okay, so yung sa bandang dulo, flash of a firearm, okay, sabi doon, caliber 22, okay, tapos yung laki daw nung letra ay 2 inches, it can be read as far as 2 feet. Okay, so madali lang tandaan kasi puro 222, di ba? Caliber 22, okay, 2 inches yung laki noong letra, and it can be read at a distance of 2 feet. Okay, so 22, 2, and then 2. So puro siya 2. Alright, so yun yung mga light, condition ng lighting as a factor in identification. So tinatanong po yan sa board exam mga kaibigan, no? Okay, take note of those. Okay, next. Ayan. So, if Dr. Virus, okay, is able to use both of his hands with equal skills, he is considered to be a what? Okay, so, diba? So, madali lang yan. So, pag sinabi daw nating, paano daw pag si Dr. Virus ay kaya niyang gamitin yung kanyang dalawang kamay with equal skills. Okay, lahat naman tayo kayang gamitin yung dalawang kamay, di ba? But ang sinasabi dito, with equal skills. Okay, very good. So the answer is, yan, ambidextrous. Okay, so from the word ambi, it means both. Tandaan yan mga kaibigan ha. When we say ambi, it means both. Yan. So dexterous come from the word dexterity o kasanayan. Okay, it came from the word dexterity or skill or kasanayan. So ibig sabihin, ambidextrous, sanay ka sa pareho mong kamay. Okay? Sanay ka both hands. 'Di ba? So ambivalent, 'di ba? So if you are a extrovert, 'di ba? Extrovert, and if you are an introvert, kapag nasa gitna ka, ikaw ay ambivert. Omnipotent naman, from the word omni, it means all. Potent means strong, kalakas. So ibig sabihin, you are so powerful. Okay? So yan ha, take note, ambidextrous. Okay. The pelvic bone of a blank is wider and rounder than a blank to permit childbearing. So for example daw, nakakita ka ng skeleton, okay, doon sa crime scene. Okay? And you want to determine whether babae ba o lalaki ito. Nakita mo that yung pelvic bone niya is wider and rounder. Okay? So, anong masasabi natin? So, is this coming from a woman or a man? Okay? So, ang sabi dito is, ito daw ay wider and rounder than a blank. Yan. So, alin ba ang mas malawak? Okay? Pelvis ng woman or pelvis ng lalaki? Of course, syempre, pelvis ng babae. Di ba? So, para to permit childbearing. So sila po ang magdadala ng mga bata sa kanilang sinapupunan. That's why it has to be wider and rounder, okay, than of a man's. Okay? So take note ha. So yan. Okay? So menstruation in women, take note, tinanong na po ito sa board exam. Menstruation in women usually starts at the age of blank. Menstruation in women usually starts at the age of blank. Okay? What? Okay, so the answer is, what's your answer? Okay, take note ha, the answer is 12 years. Okay, usually starts at the age of 12 years. So pag ganito mga tanong mga kaibigan, do not answer based on your own experience. Diba? Kung ikaw nagkaroon ng 13, mo sasagot 13, di ba? So ang sasagot natin kung ano yung sinasabi ng libro. Okay, at sabi ng libro, menstruation in women usually starts at the age of 12.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!